The smoothie is literally so good. I'm of course going to have desserts, veggie burger over some arugula, Coco June yogurt. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Kate. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. The last time I filmed one of these, I was at my old apartment and I just like hated the way that video came out. I'm just going to do an updated one because these videos are so popular. I feel like now is a good time to film one of these since I started my new food account. I've just been eating so much better than I ever have before. I eat so mindfully now and I eat foods that nourish my body. I used to eat so bad. I would eat so much junk food and I just didn't really care. But now I'm in the swing of things and I eat really healthy now, so I thought I would show you guys what I eat in a day. And also I just want to make a disclaimer. Everybody is different. Everybody has a different body type. Everybody eats different amount of food every single day. So I don't want to film this and have people take this as to what they should eat in a day because everybody is different. Everybody needs different amount of calories. You can take inspiration from my meals and incorporate them into what you eat in a day. I don't want this to come across as like this is what everybody else should be eating in a day. I just wanted to say that because I know when I used to watch them, I used to compare what somebody else eats to what I eat, and it's just not a good look. This morning I am just going to make some avocado toast. I am basic and you can't go wrong with avocado toast. So I have this really yummy bread from Wegmans. I don't even know if they have Wegmans like all around the world. I don't know, but it's just the grocery store that I go to by my house. This is just called seed bread, I think, and it's so good. I actually got the one that's not already sliced, so I have to slice it myself, but it's so yummy, especially with avocado toast. Oh my goodness. This is my breakfast. I just put some olive oil, Himalayan salt, and some everything bagel seasoning. Olive oil tastes so good on avocado toast. It's like my favorite. So this is my breakfast. I'm gonna go eat this and I will see you guys the next time I eat. So it's currently 9:45. I'm gonna make a little protein smoothie just to hold me over until lunchtime because avocado toast definitely does not fill me up until lunch. And I also ate really early. I ate at like 7 o'clock. It's almost 10 o'clock now. I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly protein smoothie. This is so good. I actually posted this recipe on my food account, and if you don't follow me on there, you definitely should. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. I use all natural peanut butter. As you can see, all that's in here is just dry roasted peanuts, and this is honestly the best peanut butter I think I've ever had. This is just the store brand peanut butter from the grocery store that I go to. I just use some frozen blueberries, a frozen banana that I cut up myself and put in the freezer, some almond milk, and then some vanilla protein, which is optional. I just like to add this just to fill me up a little bit more, and I like the taste of the vanilla protein in this smoothie. Here is my little smoothie. I put some almond butter granola on the top, and that makes all the difference in the world. It tastes so freaking good. So I'm gonna make a little bit of lunch right now. I just worked out and I took my makeup off, which is why I'm not wearing my makeup anymore. I don't even know why I bothered to do it, but I didn't work out yesterday, which is why I wanted to squeeze in a workout today. I'm not that hungry for my lunch today, so I'm just gonna make a little yogurt bowl. I've been loving this combination at the moment. I use some of this Coco June yogurt. This is the vanilla and chamomile one. I use some honey, almond butter granola by the Kind brand, and then some fresh mango, and I just make a little yogurt bowl, and it's so yummy. So So this is my little lunch today. Like I said, I'm not that hungry, so maybe I'll have like a snack before I have my dinner. But yeah, this is like something that I would usually have as a snack, but that smoothie really filled me up this morning, so I'm just having this for my lunch. Hi guys, so I'm going to have a little snack right now. These are one of my favorite snacks ever. I just have to run a few errands, so I just wanted to have something to keep me full until dinner time. This is the Nature's Bakery brownie. I have like the biggest sweet tooth, so anything chocolate, oh my goodness, I love chocolate so much. This is what they look like. They're the Nature's Bakery brownie little, I don't even know how to describe them, but they're made with dates, cocoa, and whole grains. If any of you love chocolate as much as I do, these are just so freaking good. My mom actually bought 6 boxes off of Amazon because I'm so obsessed with them. So I'm gonna have one of these as a little afternoon snack. So this should probably keep me full until I have dinner because it's 3:30 right now, so I should probably be fine until dinner time. So I will check in with you guys when I have some dinner. Guys, I'm gonna make some dinner right now. I'm gonna make one of my favorite dinners that I have been eating like religiously for a week straight. My dinner is going to be a Hillary's veggie burger over some arugula, some dressing, some feta, and I'm going to cut up the sweet potato and air fry it. I used to cook the Hillary's burgers in the microwave just because I was lazy, and I've been doing it over the stovetop, and they taste so much better than just in the microwave, because when you put it in the microwave it's like all soggy and gross, but I've been doing it over the stove with a little bit of olive oil and it's so good. When I air fried the sweet potato, I just put some honey, some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then I just put some raspberry vinaigrette on the arugula, some feta cheese. Dinner is served. I'm of course going to have dessert. I made these Simple Mills muffins over the weekend, and I just used Simple Mills chocolate muffin mix as well as their vanilla frosting. I am such a big dessert person. I have the biggest sweet tooth, like I said earlier. Dessert is seriously my favorite meal of the day, and I usually have dessert like every single day. Everything in moderation. I say that all the time. One cupcake or muffin, whatever this is not gonna kill you. I really like to eat mindfully. Having this muffin isn't gonna throw me off of my workout schedule and my eating habits and everything. I used to have such a distorted way of thinking about desserts and everything. Like I would feel like I would eat one muffin and I would think that I would lose all of my progress, which is just not the case. Having a muffin does not lose your progress. Quitting loses progress. And also I noticed that when I bake or cook or anything with natural ingredients, like I wanted to pick up the Simple Mills brand because they have like all natural ingredients, and I honestly know a difference in the way I feel when I eat things with natural ingredients rather than having like frosting by Betty Crocker or something. I really do notice a difference in my stomach and the way I feel after I eat something. They're so cute too. This one's kind of like a little bit messed up since the plastic wrap kind of took off some of the frosting, but I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna enjoy it. So I'm just having some watermelon while I finish editing this video. This is my last meal slash snack of the day, so I'm just having watermelon. This is my favorite fruit ever. Just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow my foodie account and my regular Instagram. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.